Hello everyone. We've all faced those frustrating moments where you're in a crucial online class on Microsoft Teams, and suddenly, you can't hear anything or your video just won't work. Today, we're going to tackle these common issues and get you back on track with your university classes. Firstly, let's discuss the no sound problem. This can be due to a variety of reasons, from your device's volume settings to the MS Teams app settings. To resolve this, ensure that your device's volume is turned up and not on mute. Then, check the audio settings in your Teams app. Make sure the correct audio device is selected and the volume is turned up. Now, if you're still not getting any sound, it's time to check your speaker or headphones. Try using them with a different device or app. If they still don't work, it could be a hardware issue. However, if they do work, it's likely an issue with Teams. In this case, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Moving on to the no video issue. This can also be due to various reasons, from your camera not being recognized to the Teams app settings. To resolve this, ensure that your camera is properly connected and working. Then, check the video settings in your Teams app. Make sure the correct camera is selected. If your video still isn't working, try using your camera with a different app. If it doesn't work, it could be a hardware issue. However, if it does work, the issue likely lies with Teams. Just like with the audio issue, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Remember, technology isn't perfect and sometimes, glitches happen. But with these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to resolve most audio and video issues on Microsoft Teams. So, the next time you're in a class and can't hear or see anything, don't panic. Just follow these steps and get back to learning. Thanks for watching.